Hi there, I'm Amelia. Welcome to our marvelous mulch exhibit. So, what's the big deal with mulch anyway? Isn't it just for looks? Say it with me. Mulch, mulch, mulch! While mulch also can be decorative, it's an important tool to keep soil from drying out, to keep roots cool, to act as a barrier against unwanted weeds, and to keep the ecosystem living under the mulch happy like worms. Look closely at all the different types of mulch. Which ones reflect the sunlight more than others? How might different size pieces and spaces between them affect how water moves in and out of the soil? Use your hands to feel the temperature and the moisture. Which feels coolest, moistest? What about them do you think makes them feel that way? When you're ready, follow the path ahead. You never know, there's always so much more to explore in the garden.